Gloucester Cathedral here on Remembrance Sunday. A lot of work's been done over the last 18 months or so. Once we improved the entrance, they've done an awful lot of work inside. They refurbished one of the chapels in there. Had various other works outside here. More focal area down here where the old car park was in front of us here. Gloucester Cathedral here on Remembrance Sunday. There's a tower. Well, there we are. All the work going on here, all finished about a few months ago now. I'm here for the Remembrance Sunday service, the afternoon service here in this one. Of course, have been a service this morning, of course, in many churches throughout the country. The Armistice Day, here we are. Here on the 100th anniversary, the centenary of the end of World War I. There we are. All the work going on here in Gloucester Cathedral. A lot of visitors here as well. Attend every year.